Several years ago now, one of our earliest trips out in our folding camper was to the Isle of Wight. As it was in the days before we trained ourselves to take video to share about the places we've been to, I thought I'd put together a montage of snaps from the places we visited. We crossed from Southampton to Ryde, as Southampton was easier to get to from our house, and that route happened to be the cheapest, and we stayed at Whitefield Forest Touring Park, halfway between Ryde and Brading on the east of the island. We were a bit new and naive at the time, so getting onto the ferry created a bit of tension, as first of all the sat-nav took us through the city rather than around it, because it never occurred to us to follow the signs for docks, as in our mind docks were for commercial traffic like huge container lorries, and we should look for signs saying ferry terminal. Anyway, then just after this photo was taken, as we drove forward, and because of the drainage ditch running right the way across all the queuing lanes, the jockey wheel, which was stored as high as possible, got grounded and scraped along, making a really nasty noise. Then, getting off the ferry, the main road was totally closed, so we had to follow a diversion through a housing estate, and ended up turning too early and having to reverse back down a dead end, with cars parked on either side. Anyway, a few cross words later, and we arrived safely and could relax. So, here's a few snaps of what we got up to. Enjoy. See this tree? Fuck it up. There you go. Just right.
And then she blows the bag out. So it's round and full of air.
for joining us. Please subscribe to follow more of our adventures, and we'll see you in the next one.